time has come for our next big step in the process, ordering your appraisal, or maybe not. But first, you need to pay a deposit. As soon as you've signed your initial application and all those disclosures, you'll see a task with a link to pay. Follow the link and pay your deposit right away. This deposit covers a few things that you'll get credit for at closing: our $150 application fee, $35 a person for your credit report, and the estimated cost of the appraisal, if we need one, because some loans don't require an appraisal. If your loan qualifies for a waiver, we'll let you know. You'll save some time and money. If an appraisal is needed, everything's going to happen behind the scenes. We order it. One of the real estate brokers meets the appraiser at the property, lets them do their thing. As soon as the report rolls in, we'll share a copy with you. Page 1 of the report is a detailed description of the neighborhood and the property, but the real heart of the report is what we call the sales comparison approach. This is where the appraiser selects nearby similar properties that have sold recently. These are called comparables or comps, and they adjust them for any differences. And the results are in a section called the reconciliation, where the appraiser indicates their opinion of the market value of the property, and they also let us know if the report is as is or subject to any repairs or inspections. If your report comes back subject to, we'll be in touch to talk about whatever's required and what the next steps are going to be. In the meantime, take a look around this page for more information. Let us know if you have any questions, and make sure you pay that deposit as soon as the link comes through.